Caterpillars, how are you today? Our month is March. Let's spell that M-A-R-C-H. Here is our calendar. We are already all the way down here. Let's count all the way to this number. What number comes after 28? What do you think? All right, let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29. We are already at 29. Wow, we have 2 more days after this of March, and then we'll start a new month of April. Our pattern has been A, A, B, B. Remember, A is butterfly, butterfly, and then B is bird, bird. So looking at this pattern, I can go right here and I can figure out what comes next. I have butterfly, butterfly, bird, bird. What would today be then? Back to a butterfly. Today is Monday, the 29th of March, and the year is 2021. Tomorrow will be Tuesday. So let's quickly look at our weather graph. This has been the weather for the whole month of March. So we're looking at how many days has it been sunny? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Good. How many days, which one is the least amount? The least is the smallest. So if I ask which one is the least amount, you could say it is this one because there is 0 there, right? It's the least amount. There has been no snowy days in March. Which 2 are the same? So which 2 quantities are the same? I can look and I can see this one is not. This one and this one are the same, right? They both have how many? 4 and 4. So cloudy and windy are both the same. All right, let's sing our ABCs. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Okay, which 3 letters did I hide? What's the first one? What comes after F but before H? E, F, G. Good job. It is a G. What is our second one? What letter comes after S? Q, R, S, T. Make a T with your hand. T, t, t. And the last letter I hid today was after X comes Y. What sound does Y make? Yeah, yeah, yeah. Good job. Today, I'm going to say some words. And I want you to tell me which one rhymes. So I have 2 pictures here. I want you to find the rhyming word. What word rhymes with seed? Is it flower or weed? Seed. Is it flower or weed? Weed and seed are rhyming words. Good job. Let's see if we can get the next one. Which word rhymes with 5? Mouse or hive? Which word rhymes with 5? Mouse or hive? Good job! Hive and 5 are rhyming words. Good listening. Let's try one more. Which word rhymes with car? Feet or jar? Which word rhymes with car? Feet or jar? Good job. Car and jar are rhyming words. High five. Nice job this morning. All right, what letters are hidden here? What comes before C in our alphabet? Okay, and then what would this one be? What comes after G? Let's see if you're right. It is a B. And what letter comes after G? B, C, D, E, F, G, H. Good job. Taking a look at our numbers now, see if you guys can help me. What number comes after this number? What number is that? That's 5. What number comes next? I see 7, 4, 5, 7, 8, 9. What number is missing? A 6. Make a 6 in the air. Down and around. Good job. What has the same beginning sound? Now listening to the beginning sound. What has the same beginning sound as egg? Egg. Is it elephant or fish? Egg. And elephant have the same beginning sound. What sound do you hear? Egg, elephant. Those are the same beginning sound. Okay, let's try this one. What has the same beginning sound as table? Turtle or cat? What has the same beginning sound as table? Table. Turtle or cat? Turtle and table have the same beginning sound. Did you get it? Yes. Last one. What has the same beginning sound as gorilla? What sound do you hear at the beginning of gorilla? Gorilla. I hear a G. I'm going to listen for that sound. Is it goldfish or jelly? Goldfish or jelly? Gorilla. What has the same beginning sound as gorilla? It is a goldfish. Let's do our math stories. So I have 4 plus 4 equals, So once upon a time, I had 4 beautiful bees. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 beautiful bees, and they were flying all around. They came to a meadow where there were lots of flowers, and they met 4 more bees. 1, 2, 3, 4. How many did they have all together? How many bees were there all together now? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's check. 8. Good job. That is our addition story. And so we're adding them together. We looked at this sign right here, and that means adding things together. My next one is my math stories, and I have this one. This means subtraction, which means take away. So in our mind, we have to take that second number away from how many we have at first, okay? So I had 5 beautiful flowers growing in my fields, but I picked 3. So if I have 5 and I pick 3, how many will be left? I'm not going to take them away. I want you to try to take them away yourself in your head. If I have to take away 3, I can cross 3 out. 1, 2, 3. I can put my hand over it. I can cross them out in my brain. How many would be left? Show me with your hands. How many are left? I have 5 and I took away 1, 2, 3. How many would be left? All right, let's check. I picked it. 1, 2, 3. How many do I have left? I have 2. Let's check. Good job today. Now for the last part, guys, I need your help. So I'm planting some seeds, and these are my seeds. How are these words alike? So we have to find out what sound is the same in all of the words, okay? So listen carefully. Orange, ledge, this is a ledge. Orange, ledge, badge, bridge, cage. Let's say those again. Let's say them slowly. Let's use our arm slides to help us, okay? Orange, badge. I heard something that was the same. Did you? Orange, badge. I think I heard it. Let's try this one. Ledge. What do you guys hear that's the same? Do you hear anything? Bridge and cage. Is there a sound that you heard that was the same in all of those? Take a break, put it on pause for a second, and talk to somebody. Talk to your neighbor, talk to your mom or dad, talk to your grandma and grandpa. See if you guys can figure it out before I let you know how the same. So, did you figure it out? All right. They all have the same ending sound. That means the last sound we hear in the word, right? I put that at the end of my slide because that's the last sound we hear in the end of the word. And what sound was that? It was a G, a J sound. Listen again as we say them. Orange, ledge, badge, bridge, cage. Now, can you draw two of those objects for me? All right, I will see y'all tomorrow.